This is retake 10.
Ollie, as jy nou moet praat, wat jy sê? Kom Skollie. Het ons genoeg hout vir die video.
Hello guys and welcome back to another West Coast Living episode. So today we just want to thank you guys all for the support. We have reached 2,000 subscribers.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
This video is all about recapping of 2022, and the first thing that comes to my mind, no, it's not a pot brood, but it's in almost in every video, but it's crayfish. So yeah, why I chose this video is because of the love of the waters, and as most of you guys love crayfish, so yeah, this is my first video.
Ik hem uit. Hij gaat er zo uit het nog. Ik zie je.
Okay, the second memorable moment of 2022 is gonna be our first offshore diving, which was Chatham Island.
Video! Lekker! Yes! Afwassen geskiet. Show the guys there what we got. Klaar! Klaar! En hier is herfstblaartjies.
Why I chose this video to be the second memorable video of 2022 is because it was our first day diving between seals, and the one fish I shot, I got pulled over by a seal, and that het my baie groot laat skrik.
the video number 3 is our first snook trip on the sea lice. Why I chose this video is we all love a lekker local snook catching video.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves in this villainy. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home.
Christopher, Mila,
Chasing all that we don't have.
connect crocodile like.
Yesterday we could be ourselves. Didn't have much, but nevertheless we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose.
Video number 4 is the ENUFF West Coast Hottie. I have chosen this video from 2022 because this is what we do on a daily basis, and like you can see in this video, it is always excitement of catching a lekker fast hottie.
It's the same size as crayfish.
First casting. Ayori is not for walking too fast. Galjoen! Galjoen! I'm just joking, guys. Yay! That's a hottie.
Size premium! It's a size premium! Yeah! First gun!
Dean putting on a nice crayfish bait for the first throw here in this new spot. So yeah, let's see. I know the hottie loves the crayfish, so let's see.
More than we do. Onder Otamia,
On the crayfish.
first cast again! Your check-up fight is uit.
Ja, maar die ene kom onder die klip uit toe.
Hy is vol die lights. Die lights van sy kop afgetrek. Jy. Netjies. Ons vang met meal curry vandag. In die corner.
Dean is collecting worm, muscle worm, worm. Ah! Gaat ik alweer zwem? Ja, Theo, wil je eruit? Trek nog een bikkie. Kijk.
Kan nie nog opneem.
Zo blaar. Ja.
Laat ek sien. Jo.
Kom met hem.
Hy is 'n 40 cm vis. For our fifth and final video. For this one, the last Christmas I gave you my bait. It was on 26 December. Yes! It is the kabeljou. He ate my bait. So yeah, this video is all about kabeljou fishing. I chose this video because of the love of fishing on the boat, and as you all know, our favorite, second favorite is the silver carp.
Klein mooie vis. Dean's on there with a nice, decent kop. At least. Can't see anything yet. Kom maar klein maar, hier is nog 'n lyn van die kant. Kom maar bly daai kant, bly daai kant. Bly daar. Bly daar. Hey, Dean's got his coffee here on the seal house. Kom maar gou man, haal die vis uit dat ek kan gooi.
Deur die bekkie, kyk aan.
Hou maar op die kiefie, laat ons sien. Ons braai vanaand pa. Assai.
'n hele sardyn.
Dis hy wat so lank gebyt het.
Yeah, we just put it back the camera, and yeah, so we'll look into a.
Ja, kopskutter. Jo, bra, dit is.
It is him. Yeah, I'll film as long as I can for this fight.
Van 5 lyntjies. Twee nou Loki.
Then me and Neil.
Definitief, dis like 10 kg.
Then I will net the fish. Yeah, so it's quite difficult to film and net. So yeah, the fish is biting everywhere.
Ek het dan dadelik gevoel as ou hier is 'n voetsak van jou. Silaus. Kan nie 'n hond wees nie.
Nee, dis 'n ding, dis 'n kabeljou wat so inswem.
Hy wil net vir skep.
Ek is hierso Neil.
Okay, maar wil ek almal die kant van die boot sien, hè?
Gaan jy kan skep dit op. So.
Like color on that thing, bro. Kom hy.
Dis kabeljou se kind.
Jo, die kop skat ou.
Sorry, ek staan nou nie, maar neem gou op 'n video. Kyk daai 11 ook by jou.
Dan lyntjie ou. Ek hoop as 'n kabeljou.
Dit klink soos kabeljou.
Dis 'n kabeljou.
Jy kyk die 11. Hier is 10 11 hier onder ons.
Dis 'n mooi kabeljou as 'n kabeljou.
Dit is 'n kabeljou. Ons hand hy. Ai.
Ai.
Wat sê jy van daai kabeljou?
Hy's 'n grys kabeljou.
Laat ons die mense wys.
Lyk 'n kabeljou. Hy wil vir jou net so ietjies gee.
Hy gee vir hy met drukkies.
Wat jou kak. Dis my kabeljou.
Hoorlik aan.
Oh,
Dis 'n mooi vis hier.
hier's pas 'n kabeljou julle. Maar net mooi vashou. Baie aggressief. Wow 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 wow.
Soos jy.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And thanks for the new followers. We really appreciate it. We're gonna dig into Anisha's shed. Die spotbroodjie and the air fryer slapchippies.
En
Lekker man.
die whisky.
Ja.
Nie die folie, die whisky.
Daar sou sy hengelaars.
Is Sankraal se